The Greenlandic diet presents a genuine paradox that deserves honest examination rather than minimization. The same marine food supply that delivered exceptional omega-3 fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins, and complete proteins also delivered something less welcome: a concentrated load of environmental contaminants accumulated through the marine food chain. Persistent organic pollutants, PCBs, DDT, and its metabolites, perfluoroalkyl substances, along with heavy metals including mercury, cadmium, and lead accumulate through a process called biomagnification. Each step up the food chain concentrates these compounds further, which means top-level predators, the marine mammals that formed the core of the traditional Inuit diet, carry the highest contamination burden of any food source the planet provides. The health data from contemporary Greenlandic populations reflects this. Studies have documented elevated blood levels of PCBs, organochlorines, and mercury in Greenlandic Inuit compared to most other global populations. These contaminants are not metabolically benign. Mercury in sufficient concentrations is neurotoxic, with particularly severe effects on fetal neurodevelopment. PCBs are associated with endocrine disruption, immune suppression, and carcinogenicity. The organs that traditionally provided the highest nutritional density, liver, brain, blubber, also accumulate contaminants at the highest concentrations. This is not an argument for abandoning marine foods. The nutritional benefits of omega-3 rich seafood, across a broad and robust literature, remain real and significant. The evidence for cardiovascular, cognitive, and anti-inflammatory benefits from regular marine food consumption is far stronger than the evidence of harm from contaminant exposure at the levels present in lower-risk species. The resolution lies in species selection and moderation. Small, short-lived, low trophic level fish, sardines, anchovies, herring, Pacific mackerel, accumulate dramatically less mercury and PCBs than large predatory species like swordfish, shark, tilefish, big-eye tuna, and king mackerel. Wild Alaskan salmon represents a reasonable middle ground, larger fish with meaningful omega-3 content, but lower contamination than apex marine predators. The populations for whom this warning carries the most weight are pregnant women and young children. Fetal neurodevelopment is the most sensitive target for methylmercury toxicity, and the FDA has specific consumption advisories for high-mercury fish during pregnancy. These advisories are not excessive caution, they reflect genuine dose-response data. For children, fish is a valuable dietary component, but the species selection principle applies with particular importance. The Arctic dilemma, in the modern context, is not a reason to avoid the sea. It is a reason to navigate it with specific knowledge rather than categorical either-or thinking.